Ever wondered what the future of the food and beverage industry looks like? If your mind is wandering into the realm of sci-fi movies, where robo-chefs cook up delicious meals at the touch of a button, you might not be too far off. What if I told you that we're not talking about a distant future, but something that's within our grasp? Some say that we are standing on the brink of a new era, an era shaped by the transformative power of technology. Over the past few years, we've seen technology seep into every nook and corner of our lives, right from our living rooms to our workplaces, and now it seems it's the turn of our kitchens. Generative artificial intelligence, a term that was once just buzzword in tech circles, is now making waves in the food and beverage industry. And trust me, it's not just about fancy gadgets and high-tech kitchen appliances. In the year 2023, we saw the advent of generative AI in the food and beverage industry, marking a significant shift in the way we think about food. The technology emerged as a major disruptor, challenging the status quo and redefining established norms. It wasn't just about improving operations or enhancing efficiency, it was about something much bigger. It was about transforming the way we create and consume food and beverages. Imagine having a personal assistant that not only knows your dietary preferences, but also understands your nutritional needs. An assistant that doesn't just recommend recipes, but also creates them, tailor-made to suit your taste buds. An assistant that can predict your late-night cravings and suggest protein-rich snacks that hit the right spot. And mind you, we're not talking about any assistant. We're talking about an AI-powered assistant. Generative AI is not just a technology, it's a revolution. A revolution that promises to make our lives healthier, tastier, and more convenient. A revolution that aims to redefine our relationship with food. It's about creating a world where we don't just consume food, we experience it. A world where every meal is a culinary adventure and every bite is a discovery. The future of the food and beverage industry is not just about machines replacing humans, it's about machines empowering humans, enabling us to make better choices and live better lives. It's about harnessing the power of AI to create a future where food is not just a necessity, but a celebration of life. So, do you see it now? The future of the food and beverage industry is as exciting as it is promising. But remember, this is just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve, who knows what the future holds? Imagine a world where AI can predict your late-night cravings and suggest protein-rich snacks that are both satisfying and healthy. Speaking of late-night indulgence, protein-packed, versatile puddings are becoming increasingly popular. In the realm of culinary creativity, chefs and food lovers alike are truly redefining what it means to enjoy dessert. No longer are they just simple sugar-infused concoctions, but they are evolving into a fusion of delectable flavors and balanced nutrition. In the bustling market of health-conscious food options, the spotlight has now been turned towards these crafted puddings. They are no longer just a sweet ending to a hearty meal, but have become a standalone dish that people are craving around the clock, beyond the bounds of a traditional dinner dessert. With a trove of flavors ranging from the exotic tropical fruits to the comforting classic vanilla and chocolate, these puddings have something to offer to everyone, regardless of their palate preferences. Dietitians are endorsing these puddings given their high protein content. They are not only ideal for those who want to maintain their physique, but also for those who are looking for a tasty yet guilt-free treat. The fitness community has also embraced these desserts with open arms, as they offer the perfect balance of indulgence and nutrition. The secret recipe for these delightful puddings is the incorporation of high-quality protein. Not just any protein, but easily digestible and filled with essential amino acids. This protein addition not only gives the pudding a creamy consistency, but also enhances the taste, making every spoonful an enjoyable experience. These are not your average puddings, but culinary delights that deliver both nutrition and taste. The future of food is not just about health and nutrition though, it's also about the experience. It's about an entire revolution in what we consume, how we consume it, and the overall journey it takes us on. In this new era where taste, aesthetics, and innovation are paramount, the year 2024 stands out as a beacon of food exploration. The food industry, especially the realm of desserts, has become a playground for nutritionists and food enthusiasts alike. The buzzwords for these gastronomic adventures have evolved to reflect this paradigm shift. Words like adventurous, unique, and creative have become synonymous with eating experiences, replacing traditional descriptions such as tasty or satisfying. These words now define the new age of food, an age where every bite is meant to stimulate not just your taste buds, but all your senses, transporting to distant cultures and painting vivid pictures in your mind. In this realm of culinary exploration, one aspect that stands out is the surge in popularity of global cuisines, specifically the intriguing world of frozen Asian desserts. From the streets of Seoul to the bustling food markets of Bangkok to the vibrant fiestas of Manila, Asian flavors have started to dominate the dessert scene. Korean, Thai, and Filipino are not just catching the attention of food connoisseurs, they're captivating ordinary people's taste buds, dishing out a fusion of traditional ingredients and modern techniques. These desserts are not just food, they're an adventure. They're unique. Each bite tells a story steeped in cultural heritage, yet brimming with forward-thinking creativity. And what could be more adventurous and unique than exploring the world of frozen Asian desserts? Korean, Thai, and Filipino flavors are making waves in the dessert scene, providing a unique, creative, and delicious eating experience. But the surprises don't stop there. In the culinary world, a new trend is emerging that is both fascinating and striking. Offal, an ingredient that you may not be familiar with, is making an unexpected resurgence. It refers to the non-muscular parts of an animal, often labeled as organ meats. This includes items such as liver, heart, kidney, and even brain. In the past, this unconventional part of the animal's anatomy was often discarded or considered low-grade food, but today, it's experiencing a refreshing revival. Some of the world's leading chefs and food connoisseurs are embracing offal and reintroducing it in innovative, mouth-watering ways. This might seem unusual to many, but the driving factors behind this trend are rather compelling. The consumption of offal is not only appealing to adventurous eaters, but it also provides an opportunity for consumers to indulge in a unique gastronomic experience. It allows them to explore a different dimension of cuisine, one that opens the door to a world of intriguing flavors and textures. In addition, eating offal is also about maintaining health and savings. These organ meats are loaded with nutrients such as iron, vitamin B12, and protein. As such, incorporating them into your diet can offer a host of health benefits. Furthermore, offal is relatively inexpensive compared to traditional cuts of meat, making it a cost-effective choice for those seeking to balance their budget without compromising taste and quality. So next time you see offal on a menu, don't shy away. Instead, embrace the opportunity to explore this ancient yet re-emerging culinary tradition. This ingredient allows consumers to indulge while maintaining health and savings. Spice lovers, rejoice! The culinary world is undergoing a seismic shift as guajillo peppers and regional Mexican salsas are becoming increasingly embraced by U.S. consumers. In a nation renowned for its multicultural food preferences, one particular variety seems to be stealing the limelight: the guajillo pepper. This mildly hot chili, with its rich, complex flavor, is becoming a staple ingredient in many American kitchens. It's a versatile addition that transcends the boundaries of conventional cuisines, infusing a unique smoky flavor into different dishes. But what's really turning up the heat in the burgeoning food scene is the rise of regional Mexican salsas. These potent concoctions of chili, tomatoes, and a myriad of spices are becoming the go-to condiments for many. From the tangy pico de gallo to the fiery salsa roja, these salsas are making waves in the culinary landscape. Each one, with its unique blend of flavors, offers a deliciously different way to experience Mexican cuisine. Many attribute this surge in popularity to the increasing interest in global cuisines, accompanied by a desire for authenticity and the rising trend of spicy food. Chefs and home cooks alike are experimenting more with these ingredients, pushing the boundaries of their culinary creativity. All these factors contribute to the growing trend that seems to be sweeping the nation. Yes, it's true, our taste buds are in for a fiery treat in the coming year. The food service industry has not been immune to the changes brought on by the pandemic. This industry, which is an integral part of our daily life, has been significantly impacted by the global health crisis that we are currently facing. Whether it is the local bistro we love or the global chain of restaurants we adore, every segment of this industry has faced challenges. The traditional dining and takeout models have seen shifts, driven by health concerns and safety protocols. But it's not just about the operational aspects. The pandemic has also altered the consumer's relationship with food. Diners, once looking for an escape or a treat, are now more focused on well-being, hygiene, and safety. To navigate these choppy waters, the industry has had to adapt and innovate at a speed it never thought possible. The changes haven't been easy, but they have been necessary. We witnessed the advent of remote ordering, contactless payments, and unique delivery methods being employed to keep businesses afloat and customers safe. In all of this, collaboration has emerged as a critical factor. Industry players have come together, sharing best practices, brainstorming innovative ideas, and leveraging technology to find solutions to unprecedented challenges. Many companies have teamed up with tech firms to streamline their operations and adapt to this new normal. Collaboration has not only helped businesses survive but also thrive during these tough times. This collaboration has led to significant shifts in the industry. It has brought about a transformation, marking a new era in the food service world where resilience, innovation, and shared learning lead the way. For more than 9 decades, the Food Institute has been a steadfast beacon of clarity, offering reliable and up-to-date information for the movers and shakers of the food industry. Established in the early part of the 20th century, this esteemed organization has become a stalwart entity, trusted by executives and professionals who actively shape the world of food and beverages. The Food Institute's reputation as a dependable source stems from its unwavering commitment to factual accuracy and comprehensive coverage. Its focus is not only on current developments, but also on the broader picture, highlighting the economic, scientific, and cultural influences that shape the industry. The organization's longevity is a testament to its adaptability. It has successfully navigated the immense transformations brought about by technological advancements and changing consumer preferences, all while staying true to its original mission. Through depressions, world wars, and the rise of globalization, the Food Institute has remained a constant. But it doesn't rest on its laurels. The Food Institute is continually evolving to meet the demands of the fast-paced food and beverage sector. An essential part of this evolution involves leveraging advanced technology. Today, with the aid of generative artificial intelligence, it steps confidently into the new era of data-driven insights. Through AI, the Food Institute can analyze vast amounts of data, identify trends, and predict changes in consumer behaviors. It can delve deeper into supply chain intricacies, extract valuable insights from social media sentiment, and even anticipate public health concerns. This sophisticated approach to data interpretation fuels its ability to provide insights into the future of the food and beverage industry. In summary, the future of food and beverages is rapidly evolving, propelled by leaps and strides in the realm of artificial intelligence, shifting consumer behaviors, and an unwavering focus on cultivating unique, novel, and imaginative eating experiences. The essence of this evolution lies not just in the transformation of the food itself, but also in the cultivation of a novel gastronomic culture. The use of AI in the industry is proving to be revolutionary, with food tech startups and major corporations alike harnessing its potential. Be it for creating personalized diets based on genetic makeup, or for integrating blockchain technology to enhance traceability and decrease food waste, the implications are far-reaching and exciting. As such, AI is not merely a passive tool, but an active participant in reshaping the food landscape, promising a future where food is not only about sustenance, but also about personalized nutrition and sustainability. Parallel to advancements, consumer habits are also changing at a rapid pace, with growing awareness around health, wellness, and sustainability driving a shift in consumption patterns. Veganism, plant-based diets, and low-carb regimens are gaining popularity, signaling a shift towards more conscious eating. The demand for protein-rich snacks and versatile puddings is on the rise, with consumers seeking both nutrition and indulgence. Equally interesting is the resurgence of offal and the rise in popularity of spicy flavors. Once considered waste, offal is now enjoying a revival as chefs and consumers alike its nutritional benefits and culinary potential. Likewise, spicy flavors are finding their way into a diversity of dishes, lending a kick to the palate and paving the way for bolder, more adventurous gastronomic experiences. From protein-rich snacks and versatile puddings to a resurgence of offal and the rise of spicy flavors, the food and beverage industry is set for a delicious transformation.